People like to believe the world is guided by kindness and morality. They want to believe humans are loyal, predictable, and honest. But Machiavelli spent his life watching the truth behind the curtain. He saw that humans are not driven by virtue, but by self-interest, fear, desire, and insecurity. He watched kings smile while planning betrayals. He watched allies shake hands while sharpening knives. He watched good men lose because they assumed others were good too. He learned that power never goes to the pure. Until you accept that, you will keep losing battles, friends, and respect. These are 7 lessons from Niccolo Machiavelli to wake you up to the way the world really works, because once you understand human nature, you stop being surprised by betrayal, you stop being manipulated by emotion, and you stop giving away your power for free. In each lesson, look out for how you can apply the lesson in your life, and how it will change your life completely. 1. Everyone acts from self-interest. Nobody is loyal to you. They are loyal to what they gain from you. They will swear devotion when you're useful, disappear when you're not, and turn against you when it helps them survive. Machiavelli said, "People help you as long as it helps themselves." This isn't cynicism. This is how human nature works, and human nature is predictable. If you assume people will stay true out of morality, you will be blindsided. If you assume people act from self-interest, you will always be prepared. And how does this truth change your world? Betrayal stops surprising you. You don't take them personal. You see relationships as exchanges, whether it is emotional or strategic. You make decisions based on reality, not hope. You begin to see motives instead of masks. And once you see motives, you can control outcomes. Self-interest is predictable, and what is predictable can be managed. 2. People follow strength, not goodness. Machiavelli believed people admire goodness, but they follow strength. Most people want safety. They want certainty. They want someone who looks like they know what they're doing. Weakness invites intrusion. Uncertainty attracts predators. Softness is mistaken for permission. If you appear weak, people take advantage. If you appear strong, people fall in line. People adjust their behavior the moment they sense dominance, not from violence, but from presence. When you walk with certainty, when you speak with authority, when you move like someone who cannot be bent, people feel it. They fall in line. They show respect. They hesitate to cross you. The brutal truth is that the world doesn't delay to punish weakness. It punishes it instantly when you project confidence, certainty, self-respect, and direction. People stop treating you like an option. Your boundaries start holding. Respect becomes natural instead of demanded. Strength isn't aggression, it's clarity. 3. Protect your reputation at all costs. Machiavelli said, "Reputation is armor." Once people believe something about you, you no longer need to prove it. Your reputation works for you when you're not even in the room. What is your reputation? What do people know you for? Guard it harder than your comfort, your ego, or your feelings. If you don't have a strong reputation, build one. Build a reputation for strength and integrity. Be consistent. Be unpredictable. Be reliable in public. Be disciplined in private. A strong reputation prevents disrespect, manipulation, challenges, and doubt. But a weak reputation does the opposite. A strong reputation makes people think twice before crossing you. Opportunities come easier. Your name gains weight. Reputation is leverage, and leverage is power. 4. Hide your intentions. People fear what they cannot predict. Machiavelli taught that revealing your plans gives others the weapon to stop you. When you move in silence, when you reveal nothing, you force people to assume, and assumption is always weaker than truth. Silence is a strategy. Mystery is protection. But how do you apply this in your life? Don't overshare. Don't announce goals too early. Don't tell people what bothers you. Don't explain your moves. Let results speak. Obey these rules, and opportunities stay safe until they mature. People stop interfering with your path. Drama fades, enemies stay confused, your silence becomes your shield. Lesson 5. Learn to use fear wisely. Machiavelli never said, "Be feared." He said, "If you cannot be both loved and feared, it is safer to be feared." Fear makes people respect boundaries. Love makes people cross them. The power you want is the power of discipline, confidence, and consequence, not violence or intimidation. Practice these to be feared. Be firm in your dealings. Mean what you say. Set boundaries with clarity. Let your no be final, and let disrespect have consequences. People fear consequences. People fear losing access. People fear disappointing someone who has standards. Fear keeps order. Fear makes boundaries real. Fear prevents chaos. However, fear without love becomes rebellion. Love without fear becomes entitlement. When you are able to master these rules, people stop testing you. You no longer justify your decisions. You gain respect instead of approval. Fear, used correctly, creates order. 6. People judge by appearances, not reality. This is Machiavelli's coldest truth. People rarely care who you are. They care who you appear to be. No one has the patience or insight to see your intentions. They only see your posture, tone, and presence. The world runs on perception. Appear confident and people believe you. Appear wise, people follow you. Appear calm, people trust you. Appear strong, people fear testing you. Reality matters, but perception decides the outcome. This is what you must do. Craft the image that aligns with the life you want, the posture, the tone, the discipline, the presence. Appearance is not deception. It is strategy. Understand this, and you stop being misunderstood. You influence how people treat you. You gain control over the social battlefield. You become the author of how the world sees you. 7. Power belongs to the one who adapts. First, Machiavelli believed the most powerful person is not the strongest, but the most adaptable. The world changes. People shift. Allies become enemies. Chaos replaces stability. The rigid break, the flexible rise. This is what you need to do. Update your strategy when the situation changes. Let go of outdated beliefs. Evolve faster than the people around you. Treat every setback as intelligence. Do that too. You stop falling behind. You stop clinging to what no longer works. You become effective in every environment. Adaptation is the highest form of power. Machiavelli didn't teach evil. He taught us how to see the world without illusions. He didn't teach you how to hurt people. He taught you how to stop being hurt. He didn't teach manipulation. He taught survival. He wanted you to see people as they are, not as they pretend to be. Because once you understand human nature, nothing shocks you, nothing blindsides you, and nothing owns you. If you like this video, please subscribe. This is Mindset University. See you in the next video.